Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Thanks for the click. I hope you are doing well. In this episode, I'm going to respond to one of the comments I received recently. It's by someone from Egypt. So my deepest greeting to all friends, brothers and sisters in Egypt, in all Arab countries and in all over the world, okay? All right, so the comment or the question was related to this sentence. So as you can see, we have the heavy rain forced me. So we have to complete the sentence at home. To complete the sentence with a verb, with one of these choices: stay, to stay, stayed, or staying. So as you can see here, we are concerned with the verb form, okay, the verb form. All right, so automatically the appropriate answer here is to stay. So we can say to stay. Why? Very simply because we have the verb force. So always when we have the verb force, we have force, the object, this is the object, and the following verb is supposed to be with to and verb, to, infinitive with to. And not only this verb, we have many other verbs. For example, we have the verb force as this one. So the force, object, plus the verb in infinitive with to. Force someone to do something. Force me, force her to do something. We can also have the verb push. So we can say to push someone to do something, or prompt someone to do something, or encourage someone to do something. For example, we can say the father encouraged her, the object, to carry on her studies. We don't say encourage her carry on her studies. No, to carry on her studies. Encourage her to carry on her studies. So this is category number one, in which they are followed by the objects and then to plus verb. However, we have some other verbs, like for example, make or help. Objects, this is the object, and the verb without to. For example, we can say make someone cry, or make someone happy, or make someone laugh, etc. Help someone do something. For example, my friend helped me do the homework, for example. Okay, so this is something that you have to remember. So we have to remember these verbs. They are followed by object to plus verb, and these verbs object plus verb without to. So this is very important to remember. I hope you benefited from this short episode. See you in another episode with another comment to answer another comment, so as everybody can understand and learn. See you then. Have a good time and goodbye.